For this month's main video, I want to give business owners 3 essential strategies for securing your clients' data. From websites and social media to e-newsletters and mobile apps, it's virtually impossible to survive in today's marketplace without having a digital footprint of one form or another. And when it comes to conducting business on the online world, protecting your clients' personal data is paramount. In addition to the risk of getting hit with a lawsuit from a client whose data was hacked or lost, you've also got to take steps to comply with federal and state laws governing data privacy. To help you stay in compliance with these kind of laws and avoid lawsuits, here are 3 essential strategies for managing the privacy and security of your clients' data. First, install multiple layers of security. To protect your company's server and computers, you should install a comprehensive array of security systems, things like antivirus software, firewalls, intrusion prevention systems, and anti-subversion software. The key is to add as many layers of security as possible, since hackers are likely to move on to an easier target if your network and devices are well defended. And don't forget to regularly install updates to your security software. You want to be protected against the latest threats. So regularly check your software vendor's websites and the United States Computer Emergency Readiness Team website, and that's the best way to stay up to date on the latest viruses, vulnerabilities, and patches. Second, select the most secure web hosting service that you can find. Now, web hosts house your website and data on their own off-site servers. So there's numerous web hosting companies out there, and they come with varying levels of server-side protection. That includes security cameras, antivirus, anti-spyware systems, and hardwired firewalls. Choose a web host that offers a high level of security, especially against cross-site server attacks. Those involve hackers who open a fake account with the web host to access other websites on the same server. For enhanced protection, use a virtual private server. A virtual private server partitions your website from other sites that share the same server. And third, invest in cyber insurance. As with other forms of liability that your business faces, having the proper insurance in place is a foundational aspect of your company's data protection plan. To this end, you'll want to purchase a cyber insurance policy. Cyber insurance offers protection against damages resulting from data breaches, hacking, network failures, and other events. If your business's network is breached, the cost to recover and restore the information can be extensive. Moreover, you can also be held liable for damages to third parties like customers and vendors whose data was lost or stolen from your system. Depending on the coverage, cyber insurance can pay for a wide array of services to repair your network and retrieve your data. These include investigations, business interruption, and data recovery. It can also cover the costs of notifying clients of a breach. It can pay for fines, as well as paying lawyer fees, judgments, and even settlement costs resulting from a lawsuit. Regardless of the size of your digital footprint, you should stay apprised of the latest cyber threats and digital privacy laws to ensure that your client's data is secure. As your family business lawyer, we can advise you on the safeguards you should have in place and keep you updated on this ever-changing legal landscape surrounding digital privacy. On the first Friday of each month, the Gordillo Law Firm will have videos on how to use the law to take care of your business and your family. We'll also provide a spotlight for a local artist or arts organization. This month's videos are here on the right. If these subjects interest you, consider subscribing. And of course, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button for us.